Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is the video portion of our September newsletter. I'd like to start by wishing everyone a welcome back to the new school year 21-22. I hope the summer break was one where you were able to recharge or reinvigorate and get ready for a year which looks like it might be an interesting one. We are always hoping that we'd be going back to some semblance of normality, but I think that early signs are such that we might be in for a few surprises. I guess that's one of the qualities and indications that an educator is ready when they're able to adapt, move things around, and serve the students in such a way that reflects an ever-changing setting and scenario. This year, our three teams, the provincial resource team, our ped services team, as well as our virtual campus team, they're all ready, they're back, and we're ready to, again, offer a wide range of services and resources to our community. The virtual campus team had a summer school. We had over 650 students participate, which was an outstanding number, the largest online virtual school that we've given yet. And it turned out that it was very, very effective, and we had good feedback on that. Early signs are that the demand for our tutorial program will be as strong as last year when we gave over 28,000 sessions. And our online classes are already up and running, and the numbers are going up there as well. This year we have a new component to it at the request of the school boards. We are actually going to be setting up a separate Quebec Online Alliance, which will serve students with medical exemptions. We have about 350 of those students, and that's a whole new school that we're putting together in a matter of 2 weeks. Classes actually start for them next week. So lots of challenges, but very exciting things, and we're learning as we go along. Our provincial resource team has already started up on the I Belong project, the Good Night Bag. There are just so many things going on with them. They've reached out to our community partners, our CDAs, everyone. So as I said, they're busy as well and ready to respond as the community needs and serve them as best as possible. Our pedagogical services team, headed up by Christine, again, they started, I believe, their first workshops were actually in mid-August. Some of them have been online, some of them have been face-to-face, which I think will give a clear little indication of what this school year is going to be like, a mixed bag. The interesting thing there is that we're constantly surveying, interacting with our community to make sure that we're able to provide them resources and services that are timely and that are reflective of what needs to be done now. We'll be around all year long. Keep looking at our website to see what's happening, activities, workshops, resources that are always in development. We wish everyone a good, healthy year. Hang in there. I know that it'll be interesting and challenging at moments, but I think also very satisfying as we work through all these things. So until next month, I wish you happy trails, and see you again soon.